Ito na po ang full video ng chicken biryani. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo mga ka-idol. Basmati rice, water. Ibabad lang natin ng 20 to 30 minutes mga idol. For the blender, tomato, garlic, onion, green chili, ginger, olive oil, lemon juice, chicken thigh, add the sauce, cumin powder, coriander powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, yogurt, mix. Marinate lang natin ng 20 minutes. Cooking oil, marinated chicken, takpan, lutuin natin yung chicken 30 minutes. For the rice, salt, chicken cubes, cinnamon stick, cardamom seeds, star anise, cloves, dry lemon, coriander leaves, basmati rice, kapag malapit na maluto ang ating rice, pwede na natin i-transfer sa chicken mga idol. After 30 minutes, add the rice, yellow saffron, crispy onion, coriander leaves, takpan, pahinaan natin yung apoy, lutuin natin yung rice 15 minutes. Tomato, green chili, onion, coriander leaves, salt, lemon juice, olive oil. After 15 minutes, crispy onion,